this fresh air. And there's nothing that beats it. No amount of candles or Febreze. But cigarettes do. You want to smoke? No, I usually don't smoke. Just on special occasions, like socializing. Well, that's okay. You don't have to be peer pressured into smoking. I will just take one myself. You know what? You do have a good point. Maybe I am addicted to these cigarettes. It's just, they calm me down so much. Yes. You see, I was separated from my friends earlier. We were at this nightclub. I think it's called like the Golden Flamingo or something. And it was too loud inside for me, so I came out, and the bodyguards wouldn't let me in. So now I'm stuck wandering around, and all I can do is smoke. Oh, you came here with friends too? What a coincidence. Maybe we can go find them for each other. Yeah, well, what's the point of being alone on such a lovely night? Okay. My friends. And when they get drunk, if they're drunk about now, they are going to be tripping over one each other all the time. Yep. So you gotta just look for people who can barely walk. And they're not supposed to. They're supposed to walk normally, and they're falling left and right. Yeah, why not? Let's see. Alright, so let's check out what's in my pockets. I believe this is a lighter. And this is gum. Nice. Still smells really fresh. Cigarettes. Oh. You weren't supposed to see my rubber. I mean, I have it just in case of emergencies. Maybe I found a nice damsel in distress who needs some calming down of her own without cigarettes. And, yeah, I just whip this out and assemble it on me, and, yeah, you never know. Hey, you never know, okay? Anyways, it was supposed to be in my wallet, which is also nowhere to be found. Do you think someone swiped it at the club? Maybe grabbed it out of my pocket. You never know these days. They've been grabbing everything in there. I did feel a little violated, but also a little cool, I guess. Here we go. I just received a text from my buddy. He said that he has my wallet. Okay, great. I mean, here's the thing. I'm very, very liberal when it comes to buying others drinks, so I don't really want to blow it all in one day, you know, so. Alright, so here's what happened. Alright, I gave my wallet to my friend, maybe, to protect me from my money that I didn't want to spend, allegedly. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm very good at planning. And thus, you can have complete trust in me. Okay, how about this? Okay, tell me if this is a smart thing to do or just a dumb, whimsical thought that popped into my head, okay? How about I go back in the club and you come along with me? I'm sure that's where your friends are. They seem like the partying kind. And once we find our friends, I can ditch them again. We can both ditch our friends. I'll buy you a drink with the wallet that I get. And we can find a corner of the club to talk. Maybe somewhere quiet, outside on a balcony. What do you think? Really? Oh, great, okay. Yeah, follow me. We're going to go through the side entrance. It's for VIPs only. And any drink you want, just go ahead and order it. I'm sure they carry it in here. Did you get your drink order in? Good. Their customer service here is top-notch A+. Here, follow me to my booth. Yep, we pass all the people below, and we gotta watch them from the top floor. It makes me feel all fancy. That's why I love coming to this club. And here we are. A fancy booth with curtains to draw just in case it gets too loud. Yes, it's very fancy. And if you need more drinks, just let the security know. They will grab it for you. Okay, baby, now that we're settled in, did you know that I knew that you were completely staring me down on the streets? I could see it in your eyes that you wanted a piece of this. I haven't been eyed down like that in a very, very long time. So why don't we skip the names and get straight to the point? Don't you worry. Just lay down on the couch and let me do the rest of the talking. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, I really mean it, baby. Did you know that it's a crime in some countries to be as beautiful as you are? Because then there'd be so many riots over who would get to have you and who would get to take you home for the night. Luckily, it's gonna be me. Not just tonight, but for many nights in the future and for many nights to come. I know I'm good at this. You know, I have been told that I have a tongue that puts everyone else's to shame. Ooh, yes. Why would I lie? Do you want to see for yourself? That was good, wasn't it? You want more? Well, I'm going to make you beg for it. I believe the current, slang says that, damn, you're a yacht. Is that correct? I got that riz, don't I? You have to say yes. There you go. Thank you. You're such a cutie for obeying what I say. I love it when you do that. You're too cute. Alright, that was good, wasn't it? All's good under the hood, huh? The Rizzler did the Riz. Maybe something else that rhymes with Riz. Anyways, getting back to the real stuff, I need you to like and subscribe this video. Like and subscribe to this video because I would like to Well, it helps me know which videos to make more of. So, you are participating in the future of my channel. Go outside, drink water, be happy, enjoy life. It's very fleeting. Respond to me in the comments. I am lonely. Yeah. Like and subscribe.